Good morning to all. I am KV Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambhiravapet, Rajana Sirsilla. Subject zoology, topic phylum Reptilia. Reptilia are the first vertebrates which become adapt to complete to terrestrial life. They are the creeping the animals. Reptilia originated from labyrinthodont amphibians in Carboniferous period. Reptiles pluralis well during the Mesozoic era. Hence, Mesozoic era is called the Golden Age of Reptiles. The study of reptiles is called herpetology. Reptilia are the first ammonites. General characters of the reptilia. The reptilia are phyllocothermic or cold-blooded animals. Blood is the designation to into the head, neck, and trunk and trail. They are the territorial and some are secondary aquatic. The body is covered with horned scales or skirts. The skin is dry and skin glands are absent. Limbs are pentadactylous, absent in snakes and some lizards. Digits are clawed. Skull is the monocondactylic. Within the single occipital convolvulus in vertebrates are generally procilious. And dentines is generally homodont, acrodont, and foliodont. Respiration is carried out by the lungs. Heart has two auricles and an incompletely divided ventricle. The red blood cells are nucleated. The kidneys are the metanoproic type. The 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are present, but there are 10 pairs in snakes. Cloaca is present. Next, the sexes are separated, male usually with muscular copulatory organs. The fertilization is internal, the eggs cloidic and megalocytal and amniotics. Reptiles are all amniotics. The development is direct. This is the general characters of the reptilia. Classification of reptilia. The extant reptilia are grouped into 4 orders. They are Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata, Crocodilia. These are the 4 orders in the classification of reptilia. Next, order of Chelonia. This class includes turtles, marine, tetravans, freshwater, and tortoises, terrestrials. Body is short and broad. Limbs are paddle like in a aquatic form. Body is enclosed in a shell consist of a dorsal carapace and the ventral rostrum. Unopposite skull is present. Sternum is opposite. Jaws are endonate and are covered by army sheath. Local aperture is longitudinal. Systematic and pulmonary arches are connected by ductus botalli. Tail is present and can be retracted into the shell. All are oviparous. These are said to have the longest lifespan. Example, Testido, Chelonia mitis, Trionyx, etc. Second order is Rhynchocephalia. Rhynchocephalia. These are the beak head. These are beak-headed reptiles. Spinodon is the oldest surviving the Lepidosaurium and is considered living fossil. This is a endemic to New Zealand and commonly known as a tetra and heteria. Body is lizard-like. Limbs are relatively weak. Body is covered by granular scales. Mud dorsal cleats or spine like a scales are present. Skull is unmodified diapsid type. Dentation is acrodont and monodont. Cloaca aperture is a transversal. Vertebrae are the ampicoelius. Abdominal ribs are the present. A well-developed parietal eye is present. Capillary organ is absent. It is oviparous. Fertilization is internal. It is mostly nocturnal. Example, Spinodon punctatus. Spinodon punctatus. And third order is Squamata. It is included in lizards and snakes. It is the largest order in reptiles. These are the most successful living reptiles. Body is covered by horny epidermal scales. Skull is modified diapsid type. Quadrates is movable. Spinal is strengthened by the additional articulations called the Zygospines. Articular called is zygospines. And zygontra. It in snakes and some lizards. Lizards. Vertebrate or prosciculus. Vertebral prosciculus. Abdominal or ribs are the rudimentary or absent. Dentation is acrodont or pleurodont. Acrodont and pleurodont. Cloacal aperture is transverse. Cloacal aperture is transverse. One pair of the hemipins occurs in male. One pair of hemipins occurs in male. Hemipenis occurs in male. And squamates are mostly oviparous. Some are viviparous. Example, hydrophis. Example, hydrophis. Some are viviparous. Example is hydrophis. Many lizards are and a few snakes exhibits caudal autonomy. Caudal autonomy. Autotomy. This is the very most large successful order of reptilia of phylum. Order of Squamata is classified into two suborders. Order of Squamata is classified into two suborders. They are: one is Lacertilia, two is Opidia. Lacertilia, Opidia. Suborder is Lacertilia. This includes lizards. Limbs are present. Movable eyelids are present in most. Tongue is entire or forked. Urinary bladder is present. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Example, Hemidactylus, that's called wall lizards. Calotis, garden lizards. Draco, flying lizards. Varanus, monitor, Indian monitor. This is a Lacertilia suborder of Squamata. Second suborder is Opidia. This includes necks, limbs and lips. Girdles are absent. Eyelids are not movable. Tongue is forked. Urinary bladder is absent. Lacertilia suborder is present. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is absent in suborder of Opidia. Cranial nerves are 10 pairs. Lacertilia suborder is have cranial nervous system is are 12 pairs. These cranial nervous system are 10 pairs. Next example of the Opedia Nasa, that's called cobra, Dryophis, whip snakes, Arebranal, Oviparous, Hydrophis, sea snakes. These are the Opedia suborder of Squamata. Next and fourth order of reptilia is Crocodilia. This includes aquatic reptiles like crocodiles, alligators, and gavials. These are the largest living reptiles. These are the largest living reptiles. Body is covered with epidermal plates or skirts. Scoties. Plates are scoties. Feet are webbed. Feet are webbed. Next, tail is strong and laterally compressed. Tail is strong and laterally compressed. And next, a completely bony secondary plate is present. Skull is diapsid. Skull is diapsid. The protellus is the present between skull and atlas. And ribs are double-headed with capsulum and tuberculum. Capitulum and tuberculum. Posterior cervical and anterior thoracic ribs bear cartilaginous uncinate processes. Cartilaginous uncinate processes. Next, abdominal ribs are the present, clavicles are the absent, but interclavicle is present. Dentation is thecodont. Thoracic and abdominal cavities are separated by diaphragm. Separated by a diaphragm. diaphragma. Heart is four chambered. Heart is four chambered. Cloacal aperture is longitudinal. Males possess an unfair penis. All are oviparous. Eggs are hardly shelled. Example: crocodiles, alligators, Gavelius. This is the Crocodilia. Order of Crocodilia. This is the classification of reptilia. The extant reptiles are they grouped into four orders. They are Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata, Crocodilia. Chelonia, example of Testido, Chelonia medes, and Trionyx, and Dromocheles and Croniasis. The second order is Rhynchocephalia. There are the big-headed reptilia. Example is Spinodon functatus. And third order is Squamata. Squamata is classified into two suborders. There is the Lacertilia and Opidia. Lacertilia, example of Draco and Calotes, Hemidactyles. This is the example. And suborder of the Opidia is in example of Naza, Dryophis, and Hydrophis. This is Hydrophis is sea snake. Next order of Crocodilia. These are the largest living reptiles. Feet are the webbed. Tails is a strong and laterally compresses. Skull is diapsid. Abdominal lips are the present. Dentition is thecodont. Heart is four chambered. Example of Crocodilia is Crocodilus, alligator, Goviolis. This is the Reptilius, phylum Reptilia, general characters and classification of Reptilia. Classification of Reptilia is four orders. One is the Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata,